So how would you describe Magic Lantern?
I would describe it as a really friendly community hub. Lots of people gather here for their social things in the week. There's something for everybody. We've got music, we've got nice food, we've got films, we've got drinks. Yeah, it's something for everybody here, and everybody's really friendly, and it's like a nice place to be, and it's a nice place to work.
Yeah, so Film Club started out with one film a month that we chose, and then we said that we usually get about 3 or 4 people to that, and it's more of an informal chat. It's not a film buff club, if you like. It's what films, and they started choosing the films, and it's now gone up to about 4 films a month that are chosen, and that can range from anything from things like Gladiators 2 to Anora this year and Nosferatu.
I hope more and more people hear about us. I hope, that our message gets spread further as far as possible, and we get more and more people every year, and and more people know about us, basically. Usually when people find out about us and they come, they like to come again, and they spread the word and things. So.
My favourite thing, I would say the diverse range of people that come here and all their different. I love it when you get a film like, for instance, Everything Everywhere All at Once, when half the audience are coming back and going, "What was that about?" And the other half are like, "Oh my God, that's the best thing I've ever seen," or "That's the funniest film I've ever seen." So I love people's reactions.
What does Magic Lantern mean to you?
Everything.
Yeah, it's our local cinema.
Everything, so it's lovely to still see the little cinema.
If you don't use it, you're going to lose it.
Yeah.
And we come from Barmouth, so it's a train ride away for us, but we've got nothing like this in Barmouth. There's nothing within a 20-30 mile radius, so there's nowhere for us to go to a cinema. Really enjoy coming out for the day, and I really appreciate them putting things on in the afternoon as well, because that's great. I mean, what they do for the pensioners as well, I think that's brilliant. That's a really nice afternoon out.